And the time being, we've been doing the sound pronunciation, the two-letter combination, the three-letter combination, which we equally call the digraph and the trigraph. So today we're going to be doing word pronunciation to see if actually you are getting along with the sounds. And hi, if you've seen me for the first time, don't make it till last. This is what we do here. This is English Affairs 101, and you're so welcome to the family. And you can actually join this family by subscribing if you're yet to do so. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. So let's dive straight into today's video. Now, before we try pronouncing this, can you just pause this for a while and try pronouncing some of these listed words to see how many you are able to pronounce right? Now, I listed these words like this for us to know that for certain words, when you're trying to pronounce them, you actually need to group them into 2, 3, 4 so that it's pronounceable. Okay, so there are some combinations that you have to pronounce only when they are combined in a word. So let's try pronouncing this to see what we are actually talking about. Okay, so I have ambush, 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 and I have category, category, category put together. We have perish, perish, perish. We have policy, policy. Put together, we have policy, and we have apparent, 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 apparent. These are the two categorized. So now let's look at the trigraph. Okay, so we have global, global. So put together we have global, and we have fatigue, fatigue. Put together we have fatigue, and we have connector, connector, connector. So put together we have connector, and we have suspended, suspended. Put together we have suspended. Now we have accord, 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 accord. There's accord. Okay, so put together we have accord. Now let's look at the word graph. We have standard, standard, standard. Put together we have standard. So we have schedule, schedule. Put together we have schedule. We have straight, straight, straight. That is straight. Put together we have flourish, flourish. Put together we have flourish, and we have sanction, sanction, sanction. So put together we have sanction. So in word pronunciation, some sounds can only be pronounced only when they are sectioned like this. Okay, so some can be pronounced when they are combined in 2s, in 3s, or in 4s. So that's the reason why I have to position this like this. Take a very good look at the list of words I have right here. This one is in 4, this is in 3, this is in 2. Okay, so for you to pronounce a word easily, if you're having difficulty with pronouncing a particular word, it is very, very advisable or very, very necessary for you to break it down this way. That's going to make it easy for you to pronounce any word at all, any word at all. Okay, so let's try pronouncing them the way I just splitted it. Okay, so I have gravity, gravity. Put together is gravity, multitude, multitude. Put together I have multitude, mental, mental. Put together you have mental, magnificent, magnificent. Put together you have magnificent. We have magnet, magnet. Put together you have magnet. I have circumstances, circumstances. Put together we have circumstances, cardinal, cardinal. Put together we have cardinal. So if you have been following me, you will notice that most of the combinations you are seeing here, I think we've done them except few. Yes, most of them we have attempted them. So on the last video we tried this ending part, which we're going to still do more of it. So let's continue. Now I have advocate. Now looking at this, the way I split it, it made the word very lengthy. Advocate. But so here we have advocate. Advocate. Now pronouncing this way makes the word lengthy. Okay, to pronounce this word normal, this is supposed to be put together. So you have advocate. Advocate. So we will have advocate. Now let's continue. I have contraction. 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 So put together you have contraction. All right. I have furnish. Furnish. Put together you have furnish. I have venture. Venture. Put together you have venture. We have chamber. 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 Put together you have chamber, and you have distinction. Distinction. Put together you have distinction. Okay. Now we have attributes. Attributes. Okay. Attributes. I have refurbish. Refurbish. Put together we have refurbish. Contempt. Contempt. Put together you have contempt. All right. I have attitude. Attitude. Put together you have attitude. Okay. Now we have warrant. Warrant. Put together you have warrant. We have persist. Persist. Put together you have persist. Extravagant. Extravagant. Put together you have extravagant. Now we have humiliate. Humiliate. Now you can bring this to here. You have humiliate. Humiliate. Anyhow you can space it to pronounce it the right way. Just have to do that. You have humiliate. Humiliate. Okay. Okay, so this is where we draw the curtain for today, and I hope you got something out of this lesson. Thank you for watching, and please, if you're here to subscribe, join the family by doing that. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video, and bye for now.